Before starting the video, let me tell you a fact. Here's a book which was written by a famous author. The name of author I will tell you later, but the name of his book is Understanding Woman's Mind, which women don't have. India has been celebrated for its art, literature and writing since ancient times. There are over 20 languages spoken in India and literature that includes over 20 of these languages. However, languages has a great command over English language. So here's the Indian authors that must be acknowledged and their books that should be read. At number 1, Sairat Chandra Chattopadhyay. He belonged to a poverty family and his father had irregular job. However, his father was a dreamer and writer, and it was his excursions that inspired Sairat to become a novelist himself. He wrote his first famous essay only when he was in his teens. Later, he made contributions to magazines from time to time. Since he was a feminist, Chattopadhyay seemed it was urgent to write about a patriarchal society. His most popular works are Devdas 1901, published 1917, Parinita 1914 and Palli Samaj 1916. Number 2, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in Punjab, a British Indian, and attained his education in Shimla, and after completion of high school, he moved to UK to enhance his writing career. He started his career as a freelancer writer and eventually got job as an editor in various magazines. It wasn't until 1980 his novel was published, which became widely admired among readers. His best known work is The Blue Umbrella, a heat-warming story read worldwide. Number 3, Rabindranath Tagore. Even though Tagore received his education in law, he took a great interest in Shakespeare and his literature. Therefore, following his works, he became a poet and an author. His very first poem, Mansi, was published in 1890, after which he gained immense popularity among Bengali readers. His most significant works include Gitanjali, which was a collection of poems, and Galpagucha, which are 80 short stories. Number 4, R.K. Narayan. He was born in Chennai and due to his father's transfer had to move around, therefore he changed many schools. His interest in reading was evident since a very young age and his hobby soon became a habit. He later graduated and decided to become a stay-at-home writer. Initially books were not that popular until his third novel, The Dark Room. Narayan wrote many novels after this which were published and soon became a well-renowned author during his time in India. Number 5, Khushwant Singh. He was a journalist, editor and novelist born in Haldi during the time of British India. He received his degree at St. Stephen's College in New Delhi and King's College in London. He initially started his career as a lawyer, after which he got the first opportunity to become the editor of important journals and magazines. As an author, he wrote some outstanding novels like Train to Pakistan 1956, Delhi, a novel 1990, The Company of Women 1999 and many more. Number 6, Amrita Pritam. Pritam indulged in poetry and literature at a very young age, which influenced her to become a poet and novelist later in her life. She was a courageous woman who did not fear writing controversial texts during the pre-partition era. She suffered through tough times during the partition of India, which influenced her to write the Punjabi novel Pinjar, which means a skeleton, which describes the helplessness of women during the era and discrimination they had to go through. Made into a Bollywood movie which was a hit through the nation. Number 7. Chetan Bhagat. Cited by the New York Times in 2008 as the biggest selling English language novelist in India's history, Chetan Bhagat is author, screenwriter, columnist and TV person. He is known for comedy drama novels about young urban middle class Indians. Some of his work includes Two States, Half Girlfriend and One Indian Girl.